no. Let's see here. All right, family. What's up? How are ya? What up, Brian? What's up, Ben? Lair Boys, right? Ben? Am I right? Yeah, I'm on. Was I frozen? Good morning, Mr. Beckett. Well, it's morning for me. Awesome. Were you out in like Cali or Oklahoma or something like that? Yes, yes, yes. Good afternoon, Tyler. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, I saw them like late night input you did. That was great, man. I'm just gonna get to that right after the call today. Good job. Good way to put work in, bro. Cool Kit, what's up? I always see Cool Kit. Is it Cool KLL? Norco, California. Yeah, 45 minutes from East LA. Well, I'm glad you're far away from it, right? This trade that we ended up taking yesterday ended up going up to here, but the end of the day happened, so we couldn't take it anyways. Let me kind of just go to here. We'll see what happens. I know we have this fair value gap down here. I'm just gonna kind of erase everything, just gotta kind of get a clear idea. I had an alert set here last night. If it swept this area, look for buys. Because it was just kind of bouncing back and forth. Just so you guys know, like I know there's like a trap that you guys probably aren't aware of. A lot of times they will like put a big fair value gap down here to make you think, oh, it's going to take this out. It doesn't really have to take this out anytime soon. I mean, I'm trying to look for another example. Oh, right here. Great example. Okay. Oh, my dog that literally can't walk is crawling to me. Hi, baby girl. She's 13. She only uses her upper arms now, or her front arms. Are they called arms? What's up, baby girl? All right, about to get Pulse X flip. Okay. So, we could do that out of a fair value gap. I mean, this is a used fair value gap that's been used over and over and over again. Here. Put a bag in there, please. Thank you. My trash man's here. That's my son. uh, uh, so the so the first move would have been right here. We're gonna have a pulse X flip, like Tyler said, I believe. Legs. Yeah, they're called legs. Thank you. Yeah, she's. When's the last time you gave her a bath? Give her a bath like every 3 days. It's so sad watching her try to go to the bathroom. Thank you, Frankie. So we had a flip here already. We had a flip off that block. The only thing I'm seeing right now is potentially, all right, first of all, are they creating like a freaking thing? No, we're over that. We're over the liquidity, right? Liquidity line. So that barrier is not there. And then if we can get a pullback into here, I'll take a buy. Buy till you can't buy anymore, right? Nice and easy. I'm in there now. Beautiful, Smitty. Good job, buddy. By the way, I got your message, Smitty. I just literally haven't had time to even go back and do the replays. I'm going to be honest with you. I have them all stored up. I'll hook you up with all the recent ones too. It's all good. Just for the delay. I'm in on that flip. Yeah, I saw your message. I'm like, oh, he thinks I'm probably ignoring him, but I've been like gung ho. I finally went to bed. You'd be proud of me. I went to bed at 4 o'clock instead of 6 a.m. last night, which felt good. Sounds horrible, but you know, I do like me some London. I've been catching really good moves in London sessions. I'm not really staying up because of London, but I'm there, so I might as well take some trades. You know what I mean? Would you not consider to be in a 1 hour block? I had one marked from 7 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, actually. Let me look. Gosh, that's sloppy. I mean, we're in a 1 hour buy block. Are we? Wait. Yeah, we're in a 1 hour buy block because it did come up here and take these highs right here. So this is how you have to view the chop. You have to see liquidity taken in different areas, or like you just can't trade it. And we did. We saw this liquidity taken, making this block a buy block. It came down and swept, which I would have taken that sweep right here. It swept right here. And that's exactly what I'm sure Smitty did, because I trained him to do this. Literally perfect setup right here. I would have got in right there. Stop here. And that would be my first attempt at taking like this liquidity out. You know, this one might fail. That one didn't fail. Okay, good. So that would have been my first trade of the day. So yeah, good call on the 1 hour block. So Tyler's another one. So now he's seeing the blocks. So that's proof that what we do is working now. That's good. Hopefully you see that, Steve Gray. That mark, right, or that block. I'm sorry, yeah, I didn't make it white. Kind of defeats the purpose if I don't use my colors, right? I want to change my colors up to like purple and stuff. Green, purple, maybe. I know some of you guys are too manly for that, but Miss K, how you doing? I'm up 35 points right now on that flip. Beautiful job, Brian. Brian, another one-on-one guy. Man, I love seeing that. That makes my day. That makes what I do worth it a little bit. I realize your 1 hour block, 1 hour block framework is really trading the 1 hour expansion candles. I don't know. I don't know what you want to call it. I'd have to even look that up to see what you mean by that. There's so many different things you can call things. You know what I mean? Let me see. Our expansion candles. That just mean like trend or something? Continuation. My chart is marked up very similar to yours. I marked it up last night. Yeah, I don't even know. Beautiful, man. So when I'm on the higher time frame, I definitely don't use pulse X. Let's look at this. Look at this. This is when you see consolidation, when all the yesterday's highs to yesterday's lows is all in a big box. See that? Just a giant range. This is the definition of range right here. But you can still make quite a bit of money. We already liquidated this, so I think it needed to come for here. I mean, that's the only logical answer right now. We're coming down to this block that we marked up. Make it dark. Maybe too dark. Actually, this is what's in my way right now. Get out of here. Let's look for a reason to get in here. I don't know. Need a reason to get in, not just get in. I don't know, I made quite a bit of money just getting in my life, but at the same rate, just trying to teach you guys to focus on the right things here. I'm gonna go heavy on this 2000 because this is a eval, so don't trade like me. Don't like risk like me unless you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care if I lose 2000. See what I'm saying? It just doesn't matter. So I'll risk the daily on this to potentially second 40, 38, roughly 38. And then I could pass this at this right here. Then I'll be funding another 150K. So I hope this closes and then gives us a little FEG. If it doesn't fill that right there. Got 15 seconds. Don't fill it. 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 No, give us an entry. If it fills it, it's probably going farther down. Don't. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, cool. It left it. Ha 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 ha. Sucker. All right, if it closes above there, I'm going to get in. Let's readjust. Got to readjust the risk. 30. I'm still going to play it safe because it is quite a bit of capital at the end of the day. 28. 27. There we go. That is a 36-point stop. Got 15 seconds. If it closes up, I'm just going to take it. I might lower my risk if it pushes up like this. When I don't have time to recalculate, I have to like kind of just do that. All right, we're going to buy it. And buy. Get one shot. Wait, what happened? It was delayed. All good. So I'm going to go ahead and put a limit order down here, just in case it pulls down here. Say about right there. Buy limit. I'm going to change this sell stop to 50. Yeah. Trade number 1. Meanwhile, today I'm going to end at 205 and I'm going to come back to members only at like 315. I'm just going to try that for a little bit because lately there's been nothing going on for like that whole period. So I'm going to just try to do end of day like 315 to 415. That gives me like a little break in between. I don't know how these people do it for like 8 hours a day. It drives me crazy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to have something to talk about every day with members only too. So like I'm going to make the hours kind of worth more of the time. I'm going to try to restructure a little bit so that I could get like a walk in or go to the gym for like 40 minutes. I just got done with a 2.5-mile walk out in the 86-degree Florida sun, which felt amazing, by the way. Want to get that tan going. But next week it's supposed to be a cold front, which is really crazy to me. It's like, come on. Hurry up with it now. I'm done with this whole winter thing, right? You know what? I couldn't stand it up. I used to when I was a kid. I know some people love it, but man, I love getting outside and like feeling the sun. I never complain about the heat. It'll be like 100 degrees outside. Yeah, just like go walk, enjoy life a little bit instead of sitting here 3 freaking straight hours. Like I would just find myself in consolidation mode. But you know what? I was like thinking like the best moves happen between 3:15 and 4:15 in the afternoon for me. So I'm like, why would I sit there from 2 to 3? I'm sitting on the back porch with a breeze. Oh yeah, it's amazing. And I teach about not sitting on the charts all day. Like that's my goal for most of my people is like not sitting there. Like I don't do that. So like, you know, so it's kind of counterintuitive for me. The whole goal is to like not have to sit here and be fat and move my body more. Let's see. So I risked 2,000 on this. So basically like right here would be the win, but I don't think it's gonna go that high. I mean, it can. Are we missing the rocket, or we just know it's coming? Oh, we should know it's coming, shouldn't we, Mike? Let's see here. But we're gonna put that out. You're right. I mean, that's why it's not going up yet. Just kind of chilling. Confidence is high. Let's go. I like that. The Jericho alert system allowed me to enjoy my evening last night and still catch a great move. Works better than being logged into TradingView with the push alerts. Thank you. Yeah, you're getting it, Christine. What she's talking about right here is if I set an alert right here, I can look away. I just literally mark up a thing. I say, going higher, we are winning, right? And that just allows me to like walk away. I could put one right here, and I could say, this isn't looking good. Hitting DCA, come back to manage it. Right here, and it'll literally call me. The only thing I have to remember to do is like turn my phone on so it gets calls. That's it. Which I forget sometimes. But now it'll literally just call me, let me know what's going on. So I don't miss nothing. Let's see if it calls. Oops. Yeah, here it is. 2026, hitting DCA, come back to manage it. Didn't even get me in. What the heck? There we are. Come back to manage it. Come back to manage it. Well, hopefully she pulls up to here before coming to here. Then I'll just get out of break even. But if not, I just switch accounts. Go to the next account. You're just going to have some losers and some winners. 3-minute cloud up. Mark the 3-minute cloud. Mark got the 3-minute cloud flip. Good job, Mark. He got out and then it just fell, right? All right, come up here. Anything under negative 200, I'm taking on this 150K account if it does it. Can you not hear me? I need a 50 sell limit. Might not even need it. Look. Don't you do it. A little higher. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's going to do it to me, isn't it? It was right there. Fill it. Oh my gosh. Okay, awesome. All right, got negative 100, so break even on that. I'll re-enter once it passes here. See that, guys? Boom. To me, that's a win. That's straight up managing, right? That's real trade management right there. So like now I just wait for proof of momentum again and I get in again. It's not that big of a deal. Who all was able to break even on that without losing? So this might tank, and then that just saved us. Huge win after that down candle. Yeah, yeah. Let me readjust this on a sell. Okay. Down like 200, not bad. Nah, yeah, that's a win. Is that on a 50K or 100K? On a 100K, it's just nothing. Like, I don't even blink at it. Still on the 2 contracts. I wasn't fast enough. An eval from original cloud flip. Well, you'd be in profit now if you DCA'd. Yeah, minus 72. Yeah, don't even blink at that. That's a win. That's a win to me. All right, so let me readjust. Where's my trade thing? I hate this thing gets in the way every single time. There we are. And we got limit buy. If it comes back up here, I'm going to try it again. To risk a little bit less now because that took $100 from me. 22 because it has a daily limit right there. So there we go. 22 micro if it comes up here. 3 units, yes sir. This is how you got to trade in the chop. So if you're not doing what I just did, and you're going, like, in my opinion, you're just kind of gambling. Like if you're not closing out and then just managing your risk properly, like that's why you're blowing. That's one of the reasons why you're blowing accounts. Because if you just did what I just did there, and it worked 80% of the time, and you were able to get out of 80% of your bad trades, do you think that's an edge? I want you to think about that. Because some people are like, "Oh, I gotta stay in to make it," you know. Because what if? Shut up. Just wait. Just wait for the next best move. You gotta, you know. And no offense to anybody, I'm just trying to help you. But I used to be the same way. I'd be like, but what if it rockets now? What if it go? What if? Well, you were dumb. Now you just taught yourself a bad habit. I'm talking directly to Alex. He knows I'm messing with him, but no, really. Slot machine, yeah. You'll just keep hitting that hammer, right? You'll keep hitting that. What is it? Lever. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. One of these times it's got to work, right? Man, the casino didn't give me nothing tonight. Dang it. You don't want to be that guy. The problem is if you have the wrong mentality and you didn't get out there and you win, you got to understand that if the price comes this far down, there's a huge percentage that's going to come and take the rest of it. See what I'm saying? Especially that bearish candle right there. Now, if it comes up, I don't feel like I missed anything at all. Zero. I just proved momentum the other direction. What if your guy just asking for a friend? Well, I could show me that guy and I could show you your withdrawals. There you go. Ooh. Yeah, we're in a huge 1 hour range for sure. Yeah, mark that. Somebody needs to print that out and put it in their put it in their on their desk. Oh, like clockwork. Let's see. Well, we were when we were in that trade. Here's what I want you to do, Alex. I want you to paint the picture of you pulling out $5,000-$10,000 a week. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but only because you were able to stop doing the crap. I'm not saying you're doing crap. I'm just saying hypothetically. I might move my stop to here. Screw it. Hold up. I might just do it. 1 second. No, don't go yet. Everybody wants to make money, but nobody wants to follow their rules. So, like, what's stopping you from being able? Ooh, I'm going to get you somebody. What's stopping you from being able to tell your wife and kids, or your husband, that you were able to pull out money and getting that feeling of, oh my gosh, my family's proud of me. Oh man, I'm hitting somebody. It's just a couple little things. It's just getting out when you know you should, taking profit when you know you should, just handling those little situations. The next thing you know, you're not only going to prove it to you're not only going to prove it to yourself. Awesome, Nick. Congrats, bro. Well, let's ask Nick. What happened with you? How did you finally get a payout? What happened? For me, because I was the same way, I had to get sick and tired of being sick and tired. I felt like a loser. I felt like, oh my gosh, like I have I have 5 kids and a wife depending on me staying disciplined. And then the walk of shame, you know, everybody knows the walk of shame. You did it again. You were so close. So close. The day before you were telling the wife and the kids, yeah, might be getting that new house soon. You know? I am right now. Next day, blew it again. You secretly, maybe you didn't tell them why, but you secretly know. You just needed to hold it. Now, I'm not FOMOing. This could go all the way up. I ain't FOMOing this. I'll get in on if it closes above here. See, that's another thing. FOMO. There's probably 5, 6, 7 people that just got in right now. Actually, I want to get in. Hold up. Because it finally closed. I didn't get in to just get in. Hold on. I waited for the close. See that? So finally got that. I don't know what's going to happen here. Ultimately, I made my stop smaller. I don't even remember if I risked. Yeah, I risked. I changed the risk. So it's either going to work or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, I just switch accounts to the next one. So I like the movement of that. It seems like something wants to move. This would be, let's see, let me calculate this real quick. 1 to 2 would be right here. That'd be 4,000. To me, that's worth the risk. Be somewhere around there, I think I need to get to pass this. Well, I just realized I was passing 3/4 of my evals, and then I was trading my PAs different. Now I just trade exactly the same. Slowed down and picking up my setups. Beautiful, man. This didn't close above. I wouldn't have got in, just so we're clear. So it was a close, and I liked that momentum, even though it wicked. It seemed like it wanted to maybe try, so it was worth a stab for me. Definitely B setup. I mean, we're in chop. Is this the moment of truth? I don't know. Doesn't look amazing. I'm going to go ahead and put a limit order here. Might run out of room if I do that, but come on, baby, slingshot up. Is it right at VWAP? Check. Oh, where's my freaking VWAP at? All right, man, we get above that, it's going to rocket for sure. Like 100%. Don't you do it to me. You want to get past there, don't you? If it gets up like right here, I'm going to set the break even real fast. So if it comes up to like right in this region. Everybody's heart right now. No! VWAP, get out of the way. Oh my gosh, you're going to do it? Come on, push up. You're being dumb. Man, that is, if you look at it, it's structured perfectly, right? We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What do we expect? It should go up right here, so darn it. Let me put this in, I guess. I might hit my daily, though, if it's going to be close. That sucks. Stupid VWAP. All right. If it comes back to negative 200, I'm out. Worked again. Worked again, fam. Do you see that? See that? Look at that. That's how you manage these chops. I'm going to get it ready. And this time, if this comes up here and closes above the VWAP, I'm out. All right, 2 times in a row, save the freaking account. You see that, guys? DJ Bronson. So I just add about 80% of the stop if it comes down. I add the same size, and then let's say it was 15 micro. I would add 15 micro here. It moves, once it hits, it moves my entry like to there. And then I get out a little bit under that. So, and then I get out as soon as the original stop hits too. So you're barely adding any risk at all. So you could start like accounting for that, but you don't want to do it more than once. That's when the gambling starts, right? Because you'll do it, you'll hit it like 5 times, and then all of a sudden you're like, yeah, like, and you get like a big win, you know, and then now you're just making bad decisions, you know. It's like a bad weekend. So here we go. 4,600. That's too much. I got to do like 30. Yeah. I got to do like 28. Unfortunately. If we get above VWAP and close here, I mean, I know this one failed, but I think we want to at least come to here, you know, bare minimum. Let's just look at targets here. We have a block here. I'm just showing you where it could come to. Stop. Oh my gosh, bro. So just, you know, about right in there is a 1-to-1. Maybe I would just take that right now, just to, because we're in the chop so much. Got to get above VWAP and close above there, just extra confluence, and I'll put my stop here. One of these times I might be wrong. Just trying to get this stupid thing funded real quick. Need well, I guess I need a 4,800 on that one. All right, it's not happening yet. I hate that we're right at VWAP too. Just reopened the 5-minute scalper, which talks about how I use the VWAP and all that. It's pretty cool. It's $7. 5minutescalper.com. So far, 2 break evens for the day. Did CPI already happen, or is that in this afternoon? I don't even know. I think it was 8:30 a.m. or something, but maybe it's. I don't even pay attention to the news. Good morning, Paul. All right, we got a nice wick at the bottom there. Yeah, okay. It just depends on the. I go by risk. I don't go by contracts. I go by I measure each one. So sometimes it's 100, barely ever, and then sometimes it's 2. You know, just depends. I measure each one. That's another reason I see people fail a lot. Wow, this is great, actually. Look how we just saved those trades, guys. It just tanked. Make sure to avoid open position. Yeah, I wasn't even on it. Oh, this is what we want to see. Yeah. You stayed in that? Alex, we got to work on that, buddy. Got here. 25K lucid eval. Yeah. You just got to measure every single one of them. You don't want to just be like, I use this many contracts each time. Because each position is different. This is crazy. I like to have only these bands out. It's hit my band. Probably take me out. Okay, buddy. This is wild. Look at that, though. We literally got out twice before this happened. Oh, look, I just got hit. What is this alert? I have no idea. The 1 hour sweep lows. Thank you, alert pipe. To see if the 1 hour sweep lows. All right, I'm gonna be buying like crazy now, I bet. Hold up. If there's any entry at all. Let me get rid of this. This right here. It sweeps that. We just hit a block. Go from here to here. Be nice to be able to hit a one to one between there, but man, this is what I mean. Like if you use 2 micros, it could just go like this, hit your stop, you know. But if you want to be smart about it, you got to calculate. What the heck, bro? Oh, that's what's going on. 12, 11. Let's go for it. Maybe now it's got enough liquidity here. It dropped how many points just now? That's crazy. Basically from here to here. 144 points. If it gets above there, I'm going to enter. Nope. Well, we just swept the low, so it can go high or low at this moment. That's the danger of trading in the chop. It took all this already. We don't have a close below, so I can't sell. It's my rule. Got to close on the 5 below. 3 kind of did, but I think it's going to shoot up. Trump must be tweeting. It could very well come all the way up to here now. Like, that's how the chop works, you know? Like, once you start seeing it, I mean, it makes logical sense. They took all these stops. They've just bought a ton of contracts down here. I guarantee it. They keep this 1 hour block, and I'm not saying this was going to happen, as like a trap. Everybody's like, it's going to fill this now. Well, everybody thought that here. Everybody thought that here. Everybody thought that here. See what I'm saying? People up here were thinking about it. Everybody here is thinking about it. Everybody's here. You know what I'm saying? So, like, to act like we know that's going to happen is just silly. In the Gulf, I never look, but figured something must have happened. So, what happened? What was the big news in the Gulf? In our Gulf? I don't like that. Wait, our Gulf? I hope not. No, that's a little too close for comfort if you're telling me. Oh, straight. Okay. Well, it sucks. I don't know what's going on. In the fight with 3 ships hit, I gotta see. I gotta see now. You're gonna ships. Iran war live. Ships burn on Strait Hormuz. Gas prices jump. It was a Thai Navy. A Thai Navy. Yeah, leave the Thai alone. They don't do nothing to nobody. Iran war live. Okay, ships burn on Strait of I can't even say that. Hormuz. I think that might be old news. Ah, that's Iran war. 3 ships hit and Gulf Strait remains blockaded. Wow, that's crazy. The Thai Navy said that's what happened. I don't know if it was theirs. And it says Bangkok. Miori Neri Bangkok. I don't know. Did I say Pakistan? Man, don't make me log in. All right, you're an idiot. Stop. Get out of here. They make you subscribe on New York Times. They make you pay them $1 a week. Yeah, I ain't going there anyways. I'm just looking. I'm trying to look in the headlines here. I should just read chat. I guarantee you, chat's already got it. Let's see. Gulf of Bob, California news, latest West Coast news. From top stuff. Say that fast 3 times. What is oil doing right now? Should we all be buying right now? Oh my gosh. So like bomb goes off, ship sinks. Is that what just happened? Gold tanks. I'll be honest, I don't like look at any news channels ever. If I were to look at news, what should I look at that's not biased at all? Like, is there any like non-biased stuff? Like, I don't even pay attention to that. Too much drama. What was that? Too much drama going down in the LBC? It's already too much drama. Just my chat channel. Yeah. What's up, Antonia? Can we get a push here, please? You trying to be Mr. What is it? Warren G? Regulate? We regulating? Mound up. All right, we're building liquidity to the downside, so it is what it is. We either go for it or we don't. I guess I'm going to go for it because I'm a boss. I'm just going to do it. Sometimes I have to give myself some pep talks. It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Nate Dogg, Warren G. Wait, is it Nate Dogg or Snoop Dogg? Not Nate Dogg. It'd be Snoop Dogg, right? It's been too long. That'd be Nate Dogg. Yeah, it'd be Nate. Trying to consume. Just pay the fine. They freaking the fine is they take your gosh dang channel off. It's freaking crazy. I got hit with one already. Like you got a warning. One more, you're gonna be banned for 3 weeks or something. I'm like, dude, shut up. Freaking strict. Hmm. We could definitely hit at least this block. I'm almost at my break. Well, another 13, 14 minutes. It's like a copyright warning, and then they said, I have to, I had to like answer some questions, and then in like a month they'll take off the warning. But if I get like 2 warnings, I like my stuff's like banned for like 3 weeks. So I can't even go live. I'm like, dang. Yeah, it's stupid. Got to get a close. 30 more seconds. It was a copyright. Sometimes they just like unmonetize you, which I don't even care about that. Like I'm not making my money from monetization, like from ads. I don't love this trade, I'm gonna be honest, but lower my risk a little bit. There's another FEG here. All right, I lowered my risk to kind of make up for this, but I don't want to miss this if it sweeps. We're coming into another FEG here, so we inverted one, which is good, but we have another one here. So it's either going to work or this liquidity is going to be taken. So if you don't want to lose, don't be in this trade. It's pretty risky in my book. We got to get above this one too. So I'll make it lighter so it can go through it. That's facts. We inverted this one. This one's gone. We just get one push where we want it, please. That'd be nice. We have this right here that it could be pushing off of. We just need a rocket. Like I said in the thing, I think it was coiling up to shoot up. That's what it felt like when I got on. I made my thumbnail. Guys, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I'm going to go live today for members only at 3:15. 3:15, and then we're going to do the end of day together. I'm going to start doing that every day and see how that works out, because I've noticed between 2 and 3 it's just kind of dead anyways. But then 3:15ish to 4:15ish we get some nice moves. So I'm going to like work out in between instead of sitting here. I have my own. Well, it's one of my people on my team. We use our own called future stacking. But I don't do it like I like to draw it because when I'm teaching it, I like people to see it, to understand it fully. Let me put it on 3 minute. Let's do 5. Oh, because I have it on 1 minute. There it goes. See, same thing. Highlighted it here. And it's got some down here that it sees to take out, maybe, hopefully, and that's it. And then hopefully keeps pushing. I don't know. All I see is this, which makes it kind of sketch that it could just take this out and go back into this deeper area, but I'm not going to assume. I'm just going to go with the flow. I had an inverted fair value gap, coming out of a fair value gap, coming out of a sweep of all this, all these lows. So it'd make more sense in my mind for them to shoot it up, but I could be wrong. It's okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Clean chart. Did we get a flip back up? Did we even flip down? Yeah, cool. So if we get that to flip up, that'd be great. So remember what I said, you can get out right now. I'm going to hold on to this, and this will be my daily on this one if I lose. That's all. I'll put my limit order in. About right there. Do a 18 sell stop. Some platforms automatically do the stops for you. And then you can drag and stuff, but unfortunately, this platform, I have to do it all manually. It's okay though. Going under that liquidity line, hopefully that doesn't matter. Now, if this would have closed 5 minutes under here, I would have been looking for sells right now. But it didn't. It wicked it. It just freaking wicked it and shot up. So usually what they'll do if they wick like that is come at least up to here and take out the highs. But it doesn't have to. Three, maybe that'll be cleaner. Or here. I highly doubt it's going to chop from here to here, but might as well have that little protection down there. So if it comes here, it's most likely going to dump lower. Just telling you. Come on, baby. Got 2 o'clock coming here too. 2 o'clock might do some volume somewhere. For all the members, what you going to do on break? You're going to trade the whole time, or you're going to take a break with me? Everybody should just go to the gym or go take a walk. I'll be back at 3:15. I'm going to stick around for this trade for a little bit longer. Hopefully it shoots up. Makes it easy on me. My gosh, I didn't charge my phone. That's crazy. Just died too. That's wild. It's not good for business. But head to the gym. 1 minute. Let's see. A lot of times I use the top of the hour every 30 minutes to move the market a little bit. 2 o'clock. Let's see if we get a push. Baby is sick as a dog and kept me up all night. Yeah. 68 degrees. Okay. Is that good? I don't have time to lift before I got to pick the kids up. I hear you. Tonight, 30 degrees. No, thank you. Yeah, go enjoy that 68 degrees, man. Oh, and I guess grab the kids from school. They'd probably appreciate it. Yeah, I guess so. Hope feels better. Kiddos are resilient. I couldn't take it. I had to bail at break even. I don't blame you, man. You can have a rule. There's things to do with certain people. So some people they can't stand it. So it's like, okay, give the trade 10 minutes and if it doesn't move in your direction, just get out or get out at the next break even. That kind of thing. So you can kind of like limit yourself because a lot of times if the trade is going to work, it just like works. Like if you catch the right move. But CPI, war. The other option is just use lower risk and just let the trade play out. I mean, you could always do that too. You can use getting in a trade as a way to go walk around the block and not even look at the charts. See what I'm saying? Just let it pan out, no matter what. Or do like another good thing that you want to get good at, like create habits. This is wild. Come on, man. I'll give it another 3 minutes, then I got to bounce. Just hoping to get a nice smash up real quick, take this liquidity, but it's not smashing, is it? What's up, Bethany? All right, 1 more minute. I'm going good. I'm gonna take a break in between and go to the gym, and then come back at 3:15 for members only. If you're not a member, guys, if you want to like go deeper, do the end of day with me each day, you go to SolomonTrading.com. It's 7 days for free. No catches. If you don't like it, you can leave. But yeah, 7 days for free. SolomonTrading.com. If you're not subscribed here, I go live every day at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. roughly. You can subscribe, hit that notification bell. Just unfortunately, we're just on a heavy news CPI day. A ship just got blown up, and this happens. So I'm gonna go look more into that. I guess like why did that happen? That's kind of crazy. I might just grab this. I wish it would just push up one more time, get me out of break even, so I can go. But do it now, worth it. Yeah, I think so. All right, cool. I'm gonna head out, and I will see you guys, all the members at SolomonTrading.com. I'll see you guys over at 3:15 sharp. I'll have the Zoom link in the Telegram and on Solomon Trading School. All right, guys. God bless. I will see you guys. Thanks for hanging out. Back it out. Peace.